Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize your quick launch in your Huawei Nova 9 SE. First of all, open your settings, scroll down and find advanced accessibility feature, this one. Here choose shortcuts and gestures, and here we got two options, iVoice, and here we got only one option, wake with power button, turn on or turn off, go back, and one option, more ultra snapshot. And here we can customize. For example, take a snapshot, choose or open camera. And choose your option and it saves automatically. And go back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.